Hey everybody, welcome back to Landshark Garage. In this episode, we're going to try and take that dash pad off of this 80 Camaro. Hopefully, Jakey boy knows how to do it because there's no guidance for this one. Here we go. Alright, so what we're going to attempt to do is take this dash pad off that runs over there and see if we can correct the damage that is right there. We've been seeing some ways of tackling that and we're interested in trying it, but first we got to get it out of there. So this dash panel instrument cluster bezel is held in by hex head screws, and that part just comes out and unplugs, but there's a lot of damage to that headlight switch. I could not get the button. Normally there's a button there you push to release the handle so you can reuse the handle, and then you screw that little bezel screw out and take the headlight switch out. Looks like the washer you'd take out from the back, but we don't need to do that. Everything else on the back here looks like it's good to go. We're going to have to get that headlight switch out first, and then we'll start tackling this stuff. Alright, so put a little lube on this headlight switch. I'm replacing the headlight switch, so I'm not worried about it. But on these headlight switch, if you do this in dash, if you reach up behind here, there's a button, and I could show you that. This button right here, and this is on a lot of headlight switches. You push that button and pull out on the switch, and it pops out, and the end of it looks like that. I just had to really lube the crap out of it because I couldn't even get this lever to come out to begin with. So then, to replace that, I'll just take this bezel screw off of here, put the new headlight switch in, and then I can reuse this light switch. If I can find one, I mean, if Camaro Central or someone's got one, I'm probably just gonna order a new one, but I didn't want to cut this off to get that out of there not knowing if I had one of these available. So that part we'll probably do some cleaning on it. I did see on the back of this it says with check engine hole, part number 14015872. So I take it somewhere in here there's a check engine light, or a provision for a check engine light, I guess I should say. Take a little look at the rest of this and see what we need. Looks like hex head screws that are, ugh, that's nasty in there. Plug-ins for that. Probably take the instrument cluster out by the looks of it. Looks like some 1/4" bolts hold that in. I'm gonna take that stereo out because we got a different one that we're gonna put in it. Power the Kenwood 6x9s we got for the back end. So the screws that hold these instrument clusters in are 7mm, and for some reason they're really rusty. There's a lot of rust up in this dash area, I found. These big long tangs right here, those are when you turn the blinker lights on, the light shines up through that, goes right up to the back of that plate we just took off, and that's how it blinks. So that's kind of cool. Pretty sure it's just a speedometer cable that's holding it up. There we go. So, well, that was fun. The speedometer cable is held on by a little piece of tin tab that just holds it into the gear. Back here, we'll get a closer look when we take it out. This wire cluster is held on right here just by a little plastic clamp, I guess. There's a couple of them we got to take off, and then we'll unplug it and we should be able to get that out of there. So that part must be some kind of ground. Come off of there. This can come over here. Same kind of clippy do. That pops out of there. So that's your headlight cluster. Headlight plug-in. This is a better term. So that's got the same kind of clip. It's not unclipping. There we go. Alright, so cut that cluster out, figure out a way to power this up so I can see if these lights and stuff work in it. So give us a chance to clean it. It's going to be in the way while we're trying to do this dash pad anyway. I'm really surprised at this rust up inside of here. I don't see anything that's going to be a problem, but boy, is that crusty rust right there. So this dash pad over here looks like it's just got a couple of screws that hold it in on this side. Try and take them out and see what we find out. 3 screws that come in to the back of the dash pad to hold this part on, and then I'm not sure if that heater controller screws, there's 2 screws in there. Not sure if that screws up into there or not. And then we'll be able to move to that side and see what's holding it on over there.
Ew, these are really roasty.
Are they?
I'm scared what's back behind there.
This is how our wormholes start. It's like, we should take that dash pad off and fix it. That'd be easy. That little vacuum hoses.
Oh God.
That runs everything.
What does it run, do you think?
Well, when you go to your defroster, it's vacuum switch. Like on modern vehicles, you know, they're like electronic. This is all run by vacuum. I really don't understand the rust like this right here. You know what I mean? Considering how, compared to other vehicles we've had, unrusty this one is. Then all of a sudden it's just all this rust right here. Oh no! Poo!
What did you break?
I broke all the connectors off the back of the heater switch. But I didn't ruin the plug-in. Look at that. That sucks.
What color was the dash in Gen Camaro?
I'm gonna have to take this apart to fix it anyway. Because previous to us, this was broken. I kind of hate these little push washer things. Okay. So, see, this is... the screws are missing from the back of there that were holding them in, so hopefully that's all I need to do is put them in there and clean this up. Unbelievable the amount of rust under the dash. So we'll put that with the rest of our pile. So what we've found is we've got 3 hidden screws up in here that I need to take out. Mrs. Landshark's going to take out the glove box because we think there's a couple back up underneath the damaged part there, and this is all going to come out in one. Hopefully the Craig-O-Matic 2000 is going to come out and get replaced by something mucho better. Not really. It'll provide music, that's all it'll do. We're not big stereo people. We don't need that. Here. So much here and here. There you go.
I don't do things with much finesse.
I got it.
Ew, somebody's hair. Ew.
Prom
That's
date's hair from
legit hair. It's not
1992.
just a cobweb. It's actually hair, and not mine.
There's a screw that comes in from the back here, and then there's a screw that comes in from the back right there that holds this heater plenum in there. And that's about the only thing on my side that is left that I know of that's attached. But I don't think I can get a socket on there. Have to break out the old 7mm gear wrench. Wonder if I got one of them.
I can lay down.
That's what I was thinking. It's like, this is the most unfriendly floor.
Aha!
Uh-huh.
I see one.
There's a freaking speaker in there. I can see
I need
that.
a screwdriver. I need a long screwdriver, flat-bladed screwdriver.
Check. Scalpel.
You have a longer one? Sorry, the tools are on your side. Oh, okay. It
Have a
goes.
longer one? Hold on. No. Funny joke. Ready? Do I have a longer one? How's this one look? Is this one gonna be okay?
No. Now come here and be quiet.
How many times have we used that stupid screwdriver for joke?
The clip is mounted with a screw to the dash pad, and then there's a clip on the metal plate, and
Okay.
it goes through in there and clips and then comes down. So I think you just have to go up and then back with it.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Is it just like
Tip
a?
up, I think.
I need
And I
to.
bet there's one right here too.
I need to come over and take a gander at that.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh
It just
yeah.
rocks up and then out.
Uh huh. How many you got?
It says
I
there
see
should
two.
be two. There's
I
only
see
two,
this.
I think.
I see the second one.
I think there's only two, right?
Yep, I think so.
So I think you just gotta grab hold of the whole thing and just push and go up and then out.
Yep. So first we gotta take this
Is there something I need to
heater hose. Gotta come off first.
I want to take a nap.
Well, here.
No, I'm gonna take a nap. I'm good.
Look.
I'm good.
I built a pillow.
Oh, I got a pillow?
I built a pillow when I was putting the rear end by myself.
Okay, there's a clip. There's a clip.
Okay. I think it's still held over here someplace, hon. It feels really solid in the middle. But I don't think you'll be able to see past the Krakomatic 5000 there. I'll come around on this side.
Because there's three clips. There's gotta be one someplace else.
Yeah. Here's what I'm seeing here is there's a place where there should have been a clip. Oh no, never mind. You got that one. Oh, hey, there's one right here. And it is rusted to nothing.
This one's not over here.
I don't know how you did this, but we'll see if I can do it. I'm on camera. Oh, ouch. Oh, yeah, Jesus. Freaking massive money. I know that.
Goddamn small cars.
Goddamn compact cars.
Close your eyes tight. First time I've ever got rust in my eyes.
I never brought that. There. That one's loose.
Oh, it's sticky.
And this one,
If I pull on it, will it help?
pull it towards you. On the top. There you go. Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. Get these out of there.
Got it? You had it. Put your hands back in there, damn it. It was perfect when you had your hand in there.
Well, now it's down further back.
Yeah, it fell back in the hole over here.
Yeah.
Because you took your hands out of it.
Well, because it couldn't slide. Okay.
A little bit more. Let's push. There, done.
There.
Okay, now I gotta get out.
I got a tool in there.
He's laying underneath the dash. Now we know why there's not a YouTube video on how to take these frickin' dashes out.
Okay. Okay, don't pull too hard because there's some wires up here.
So let's just stop right where we're at.
Okay.
No, that isn't what I meant.
Oh!
Shit!
Dang it, dear! You broke it!
It'll be fine.
You did break it, though.
I know that. It'll be fine though. I gotta get this out of here. This is on your side.
Guess we'll figure out how that plastic JB rod works, huh?
Alright, so we got that out with just very little casualty. Broke this piece that goes above the steering wheel. Not a bad thing. It'll be alright. But I noticed a good old Kraco radio in here. You see how rusty that is? It's because it only plays oldies. So what we're gonna do now is
Blow the crap out of that.
yeah, we're gonna clean this crap up and probably replace the heater hose and stuff since we're in there. You know how this works. As you start doing things, you just end up doing more shit. So, but we'll get that all cleaned up. I don't know if we're gonna paint this, but since it's part, we should. But we're gonna clean up all these electrical connections because it seemed like every one of them was rusty when we took it apart. But so we're not chasing electrical gremlins, and get that stuff taken care of. And the whole reasoning for doing this in the first place was we want to fix this mess on the front of the dash, and we've been kind of researching ways to do it on your own, so we're going to save that for another episode. The stereo's coming out. We'll do the repair on this and the reinstall in another episode because there's product that we have to get to do this, but we can fix it.
It looks like they've done some stuff. There is some glue in there.
I was looking at that. I still think just a great big pitch in Make America Beautiful sticker would have been great on there. But all right, thanks for following along, everybody. We really appreciate it. Never forget, drive your shit. We'll see ya.